Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So it's yet another unboxing video for you, and again another Transformer, the new version of Cyclonus, again from Transformers Kingdom series. So I really like Cyclonus. He's one of my favorite all-time Decepticons. So yeah, it's really cool, and I go into a bit of his backstory and the lore over the years as well. So I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me unbox in the next unboxing video. Catch you next time. Moving on. Hang on. Just put him in the view there. One down. Now it's time. Cyclonus. Now again, first appearing in Transformers the movie. Cyclonus is a reconfiguration by Unicron. Originally, this has been retconned in comic books and stuff, but he was originally changed from one of the original Decepticon Seekers, which I think was Skywarp. Could be wrong on that. I can't. Yeah. To become a Cyclonus. He has one of my all-time favorite battle scenes in Transformers the movie. So after he's retconned into Cyclonus, he is, when he's in jet mode, turns into a futuristic Cybertronian jet type thing. He is what Galvatron uses to fly about in. Anyway, Cyclonus. That's annoying. And but also when the Decepticons, after Galvatron is created, what was once Megatron, and Unicron dispatches him to Earth with his new Decepticons. Well, the first thing they do was go to Cybertron and get the rest of the Decepticons, because, you know, why wouldn't you? Ooh, I have shiny Optimus Prime card. Go with my shiny Black Arachnia card. I don't care about like doll. Nah. Bit. Yeah, his wing is supposed to be just slightly behind him, and it's not like, there we go. bit better. There we go. So that is Cyclonus in Rotard. So yeah, he has one of the cooler battle sequences in Transformers movie, one of my all-time favorite ones. And it's only nothing particularly happens in it, but it's the combination of the music that's playing and the way he drops out of the Decepticon ship, and Galvatron basically drops him out of the ship and goes, "Cyclonus, transform, and attack." And he sort of drops out in space, transforms, and then shoots off, and he's like bombarding one of the Autobot ships. And it just, when he transforms and starts his jet going, it like spins round in place and then shoots off. And I just always thought it looks cool as. It's one of the favorite animations of mine. So yeah, that's him in this mode. We need to transform into jet mode. I think it's going to be fairly easy to transform. Not 100% sure. Get back to just standing position. Here's in this. So these come down first of all. Let's turn around. Did have, I don't know, my friend had the original Cyclonus toy, and it was pretty basic, kind of cool. I was always just a little bit jealous of the fact that he had it. He's out. Right, so this bit is actually pretty obvious. These snap out and become his wings. Like that. Right. And like that. Nice. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Ooh, some of the joints in this particular model are a bit stiff. I've got one done. This one. Isn't wanting to play more. Oh, you stupid thing. Yeah, there we go. As always, bit of brute strength is needed. Snap them together. Flip this over. Do that. His chest up. Wrap it down. Flip that. That out. Where did my scissors go? It then goes up there like that. And this gun goes on top like that. And that is Cyclonus in jet mode. So yeah, what he does in the movie, the battle I was talking about, he drops out of the ship, he fires his rocket, so he's got like these purple strings coming out, and he just goes like that. I apologise for the dodgy sounds, but yeah, and he just flies off and starts blowing the hell out of the Autobot ship, which makes Cyclonus cool. The other two things that make Cyclonus cool, he's one of the first target masters. So Season 3 and 4 are the original Generation 1 of Transformers. The Headmasters and Target Masters saga. And it is, well, like Season 3 is like the return of Optimus Prime, and then Season 4 is the Headmasters and Target Masters. And the Headmasters and Target, basically the idea is that in order to become more powerful, subset the Autobots and the subsets of the Decepticons merge certain aspects of themselves with the people of the planet Nebulous. So it's different in the comics, but this is the cartoon. So originally the Autobots become headmasters, which means their heads transform into exosuits or the Nebulans, so that they can fight with them. So as in one of the first battle between the headmasters and the Decepticons when they are trying to rescue some of their friends, and Daniel, always a good name, Daniel, says 2 Autobots are better than 1, Cyclonus, and the Autobots absolutely demolish Cyclonus, Scourge, and the rest of the... That's actually a really cool ship. I might leave him. I might leave Cyclonus in his jet mode. Yeah, you know what? He has landing gear. But as these things tend to go, there are bad guys on planet Nebulous as well. Play off the Decepticons a deal. They want their heads to be able to become headmasters just like the Autobots, because they're the bad guys, rebels, the Nebulans that are in the Autobots' heads. Cyclonus says no, you can have the animals' heads, which is like it first, and a few others, Mind Wipe. And they say, what about you? And he says, you can have our weapons. So they modify the Decepticons' guns to become exosuits. And Cyclonus becomes one of the first Target Masters, which is cool. Now the other thing in the current run of the Transformers comic book, Cyclonus is, you can't quite tell if he's actually able to communicate with with ghosts, or if he's the Transformer equivalent of schizophrenic. But he basically is followed around by the dead ghosts of these 5 other Transformers who are constantly like haunting him. And he has this huge beef with 6-Shot. It's quite cool because you don't think about Transformers who are to us machines, like sentient machines, but machines having psychotic breaks. It's not something you'd say that's a biological condition, not a mechanical one. But yeah, that is why Cyclonus is cool.